I started the Open BICAM call, yung hashtag Open BICAM. A few days after that, sumagot yung mga congressman at senador, gagawin natin tong Open BICAM na to. And this is actually what we are seeing now. Diba ilang araw nang nagba-BICAM ang mga congressman at senador?
Good for
Before
you.
this, diba, you know, BICAM natatapos ng kalahating araw or isang araw.
Right.
You work in Congress, you know that. But now, ilang araw na silang nag-overtime, ilang araw na silang nagdedebate. And I think this is very good kasi nakikita ng mga Pilipino
For
yung
transparency,
dynamic.
no? And dynamics and
Diba?
transparency.
Yung dynamic. So, I mean, if we use our voice to influence policy, may mangyayari pa din. And this is what I'm saying, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-give up eh. Kasi pag pumalpak yung gobyerno natin, mga tao din naman yung nagdudusa. So even if we don't like the people in government, we have to work hard para tawagan yung atensyon nila at mag-demand ng accountability. At ito nga yung concrete example. So ngayon may Open BICAM na tayo. Nakikita natin kung sino bang mga politiko yung patuloy na nag-i-insist ng mga proyekto na hindi talaga useful at kapaki-pakinabang sa mga taong bayan. So, about that. Ito nga, ngayong pinag-uusapan ng budget ng DPWH, di ba? Pagdating sa Senado, yung mga civil society, marami tayo ngayon, yung mga youth natin, talagang nag-i-engage sa paghimay ng budget, which is very, very good.
Yes,
Kasi
good, right.
imagine we're talking of trillions of pesos eh. So, kailangan mo talagang pag-effortan yan. Ang dami nagvo-volunteer to do that. Nakakatawa,
that's
di
good,
ba?
that's good. Oh.
But the Senate really worked hard with these advocates para himayin yung budget ng DPWH. So, natapyasan. Ngayong last minute na, nagbabay gustong ibalik